You know, it's an issue, cell phone addict inspired rather. It's having that cell phone always tied to your ear, and does it really do harm to your body?
Well, I mean, researchers have tried to answer that question now for years, and a new study provides some eye-opening results. ABC 2 News' Josie Sturman is dialed in and has details in what this study says about the link between your phone and your brain.
When it comes to cell phones, some call them a distraction, while others consider them a lifeline.
I wouldn't say I'm addicted. More texting than calls.
But whether they're attached to our hands or our heads, it seems we can't cut the cord on our cell phones. And some wonder whether it's truly an unhealthy relationship.
I've heard those rumors for the last 10 years and haven't had any side effects, so I assume it's still safe.
But new research is raising some doctors' antenna with questions about the impact of holding the line.
There is an effect of the cell phone signal on the brain.
Dr. Reginald Davis, the chief of neurosurgery at GBMC, says scientists saw the effects during a recent study. They looked at brain scans of patients in two ways, while they were connected to a muted call and while they were phone-free.
Lo and behold, it was discovered that with the cell phone on, the area closest to the antenna actually showed an increased metabolic activity.
So what does that mean? Essentially that using a cell phone causes some change in your brain. But when it comes to making the call on what that change means, that's where what seems like a clear signal begins to get scratchy.
We can't say whether it's bad, whether it's harmful, whether it's good, whether we're just exercising the brain cells, but we can say that there is activity.
And that's a first for researchers, although much more study is needed to figure out if you can stay dialed in without risking your health. In the meantime, Dr. Davis says you should go hands-free with your cell phone when you can and use it in moderation just in case.
I'm reassured that their cell phones are probably safe, but I still say that prudence should be the order of the day.
Dialing back your usage for safety's sake, although some say it's just another call for concern that will eventually get dropped.
Every day there's something new to worry about.
Josie Sturman, ABC 2 News.
All right, this latest study was led by the National Institutes of Health, and while Dr. Davis says their look into brain activity is very valid, he also says there needs to be research into the impact of holding cell phones in our pocket or close to other parts of our bodies.